Okie dokie. Hello you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video because I'm about to go on vacation, so I'm taking you guys with me to pack for my beach trip. Cody and I, who's my husband, we're going to Gulf Shores, Alabama with my parents in 4 days. Today's Monday and we're leaving out Friday morning, and we're driving down there. It's like a 10-hour drive to Gulf Shores from where we live in Dallas. It's gonna be relaxing, low-key. I'm just kind of packing exactly what I need, maybe some like other fun outfits, because obviously I want to shoot content. I'm gonna film a vlog for you guys on our trip. I'm just kind of figuring out what I want to take and what I want to pack. I also bought some packing cubes from Amazon that I'm gonna pack with, and I need to get my suitcase out. So I'm literally here from the very beginning. I haven't packed a thing. In the meantime, if you're new and you're just finding me, my name is Lauren. I am a YouTuber from Dallas, Texas. My husband Cody and I make vlogs together. I do lifestyle videos, I do fashion videos, hauls, all the fun stuff. I'd love for you to subscribe and join all the fun. Hit subscribe down below and come watch my videos. Woo! We're gonna start off with swimsuits because that is the best thing about going to the beach. First and foremost, let's get out the suitcase, and then I'm gonna show you my new Amazon packing cubes that we're gonna pack in. Okay, so I have two suitcases. Both of these are from Walmart in the brand iFly. I'm going to take the bigger one because we are going for a little over 5 days, but I have this smaller one that kind of matches it that I might take if I'm like really overpacking, but I have a feeling that I'm not. I bought these packing cubes from Amazon so that I can pack my clothes into them. I don't know if I'll have enough really, but it'll organize my stuff in the meantime to kind of get it organized in my bag. It comes with this nifty little pouch that I'll probably put my swimsuits in. I'm gonna grab my swimsuits and then we'll try those on. We have this one that is from Zaful. It is just a tie-dye, like tube top look, but it ties as strapped. The bottoms are the same, cheeky tie-dye. Both of these are ribbed. I might not even wear this one. I'm bringing like 10 swimsuits. We'll see. Next swimsuit, I'm for sure wearing this one on the trip because I bought it for the trip. This is from Target and it is a gingham swimsuit. I actually just posted this in my haul, and it has like these high-waisted bottoms that V in the front. I think that's really cute. You can't see it from the lighting, but it is a pink, purple, orange, and white gingham print. And I specifically bought a cover-up that's yellow to wear with this one, so I'll show you that now. The next pink swimsuit that I am bringing is like a bright neon pink, has high-waisted bottoms. This is not a rib print, this is like a spandex material, and then the top like crosses over to one shoulder. It's super flattering, and I knew that I had to bring it to Gulf Shores. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring this yet, but it is this ribbed one piece, this white one piece. I like it. I'm not like 100% sold, but I'm gonna bring it just in case so that I have a one piece option. absolutely love this swimsuit. It is a forest green color and the outside has this like crinkle material all the way around. It's so stretchy. The top is one that is open in the center and then it has the bra cups on both sides, and this one is also crinkled around the edges, and it's just a super fun swimsuit. Doesn't leave a ton of tan lines, which I love. Okay, I have kind of a lot of black swimsuits that I'm bringing. First is this one. I haven't worn this one yet this summer. It has like the kind of basic bikini top look. The straps are braided and then it ties in the back. And then the bottoms are that same like material. They're pretty cheeky and high-waisted. And then the sides are braided also. Okay, another one of my all-time favorites, I probably say this about like all my swimsuits, but this one for real is, it's white and green like color block. This one is a halter neck, so it ties around the neck and then has an opening in the center. The bottoms are untied right now, but they are a string tie that ties on both sides. I'm not a huge fan of this style just because I hate risking it coming undone, but we're not doing anything crazy, just laying out on the beach, so it shouldn't be a problem. But this one is high, pretty high, cheeky, not a ton of material, but I don't feel like super uncomfortable wearing it. All right, another black one. This one is like a really cute kind of wire cup style with a pretty like scrunched sleeve material, and the bottoms are just plain black, ribbed. I think it goes this way. There's a little more coverage in the back, but for the most part, it's pretty cheeky. Okay, I freaking love this swimsuit. It is from Amazon and I 1000% recommend buying it. It is a color block. They have it in multiple colors. I bought it in black and white because I wore it when I got married in Cancun. So it just has these bottoms and then the top is a one shoulder top. So pretty, so cute, just neutral color block, and you can't go wrong. It's ribbed, so it's really comfortable. Okay, the last swimsuit I'm wearing, like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna wear all of these. It is another black one that is a halter neck. It just ties around the top and there is an opening in the middle. And then the bottoms are high-waisted. I really like this style of bottom where it is just like stretchy, like elastic. And then it is a high, cheeky middle. I'm gonna show you guys the outfits that I'm packing for like dinners, or say if there's a day that we don't go to the beach and I kind of want to look cute. Always gotta have some cute options. I'm bringing 5 or 6. So first is this gingham blue skirt. It looks like a skirt, but then when you pull up the skirt part, there are shorts underneath, so I don't have to worry about flashing anybody. But I wore these on the 4th of July. They were so comfortable. And with that, I'm just gonna be wearing this cute cropped white tank that is from Target, and it's just a simple but pretty little beachy outfit. Okay, the next is a denim romper. This was in my last haul, and it's surprisingly from Walmart. The brand is Celebrity Pink. It was only like $25, yeah, $24.50. And I got it in a size medium. It's a little bit baggier in the waist, but overall the denim is super comfortable and stretchy, and I need to find some cute shoes to wear with this. Hopefully it's not too hot, but I think it'll be pretty breathable. Next style is an Old Navy dress, a light like baby pink Old Navy dress with a slit on the bottom. This could also be a cute like beach cover up. Maybe if you're not wanting to go to the beach all day, I might bring this just so we can like walk around after sitting at the beach for a little bit, maybe like a nighttime beach stroll or something like that. It's ribbed and it's pretty lightweight, and it's like a midi, like mid calf length. It's pretty tight fitting, so I might wear this at the beginning of the trip before I get super bloated from like drinking and eating a lot of food. Okay, next is a set that I bought when I went to Cancun. It is from Amazon, so go check it out on my storefront. But it is a purple 2-piece set that has a slit on the side. There's a skirt, and then the top is one of those like halter tie-around tops. But it's a super cute 2-piece set. It's very beachy, it's very summery, and I'll show you what it looks like now. And the last thing that I'm bringing is just some white denim shorts, and then this top from Amazon. It is a bunch of pink and white stripes. That is a halter top. I think I'm gonna throw a couple other denim short options in also, just because when you go to the beach, you always need a good pair of denim shorts just to throw on to go to the beach. Okay, so for pretty much the rest of the clothes, I'm gonna bring kind of some like comfortable athletic wear. So I'm bringing these Free People pink shorts, some Lululemon tracker shorts, just like some pajamas, so like big t-shirts, some like white silky Amazon pajamas, just tank. And then I have some Old Navy basics. So some biker shorts. I have this pink cropped like athletic top, and I also have it in gray, but it is in the wash right now. So once that's out, I'll pack it. And then also this cute little tennis skirt. I'm gonna pack the rest of that in one of my last cubes, and then we're gonna get shoes and accessories. For shoes, I have a good amount of room, especially because I'm bringing such a big suitcase. For my beach shoes, I have these Amazon Cloud sandals in white. And then I'm bringing these white flip-flops, not necessarily for the beach, but just to wear with some of my cuter outfits. These are from Walmart. I got them for like $5. In case we walk around and I need some tennis shoes, I'm gonna be bringing some Nike tennis shoes. For some of my cuter dressier up outfits, I'm gonna bring some of these sparkly shoe shop, like golden goose stoops. Okay, in the way of hats, I'm bringing 3 options. I'm gonna bring this cute little smiley face hat that says "Be Kind." I'm bringing my Gucci band sun hat, and then I'm also gonna be bringing this cowboy hat that I got in Nashville that is pretty smushed from my suitcase the last time I traveled with it. It's a must for the beach and for taking photos. Okay, I'm gonna bring like 4 different sunglass options because I'm kind of a sunglass fiend. So I have this new pair of pink sunglasses that I got from Amazon recently. They just came in the mail and they're so freaking cute. This girl on TikTok had them and I immediately added them to cart. Then another pair of Amazon sunnies. These are rectangle, like vintage, almost like 90s, 80s style sunglasses. I haven't worn these in a while. They were like super big last summer, but bringing them back. I've had these sunglasses for so long. These are actually Free People sunglasses. I have no idea if they even still sell them, but I recently found them and was like, oh, I haven't worn these in a while, and they're super cute. And then last is another pair of Amazon sunglasses. These are like my favorite. They're tortoise shell, like vintage style rectangular sunglasses also. I'm gonna be putting all of these in this little pouch that came with my packing cubes. They are all together and they don't get scratched up. So in the way of jewelry, I am going to be wearing this pretty necklace. This is from Amazon. It's like half pearl, half like gold chain, and I bought it with the letter T because that is my last name. I'm not gonna bring my wedding band. I have a rubber silicone one. These that I got from Walmart, I'm gonna wear this pink one and layer it with the thinner white one, and then I'm just gonna wear this gold hoop and stud. So I'm not really gonna bring jewelry. I'm literally gonna wear what I'm wearing all week to Alabama. I don't want to lose any jewelry, and if I lost any of this stuff, it's not super expensive, so I wouldn't feel too bad or too upset about it. Okay, the last thing I'm going to show you guys is this giant beach bag. I'm going to throw in beach towel, even though I think our Airbnb has one. I'm going to put a beach towel in here with like sunscreen and all of that. I'm going to pack this in my suitcase also. I'm going to do all my toiletries, some like makeup and things like that, like a day before, so I'm not going to bother you showing you that now. I am going to do a TikTok about it, so go follow me over on my TikTok just to see a bunch of quick little vlogs and stuff over there. I am gonna pack this. This is from Walmart. I got it for like $4. Super cheap, and you need it for your beach trip. Last little packing cube. It looks like this is something that I can throw shoes in. So I might put like a pair or 2 of shoes in here so that they don't get dirty, especially coming home, like wearing some shoes on the beach and there's sand, just so that it doesn't get sand everywhere. So I'm gonna pack this also, and I might throw some other shoes. We're packing light-ish, so I'll pack the rest of my toiletries, my like underwear, bras, things like that the day before, but I wanted to get all of the main stuff packed, which is what I did. Thank you guys so much for packing with me and helping me pick out my outfits for the beach. I had so much fun, and I love you guys so much. So hit subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.